If you are looking to regenerate your hair, there's a local medical concierge ready to help you out. Take a look.
I'm Dr. Amin, and this is my clinic. It's Regenerate Medical Concierge, and we're located at the district at GVR, and we are a global health and wellness optimization clinic. Our goals here are to help people look and feel their best. So hair restoration has been around for quite some time, and with advances in medicine and the anti-aging realm, there are a lot of newer technologies being used. Specifically, we do exosomes to help regenerate more hair growth in areas where hair is simply starting to thin. So exosomes are inert protein shells, microscopically smaller than stem cells, and initially people were using, or doctors I should say, were using stem cells to help with hair growth, and we're finding now that exosomes are the key piece from the stem cell that helps the hair follicles to get reinvigorated and start to grow again. When we do the consultation, one of the things we're looking at is the patient's hair thinning, or is it truly gone? For example, when we did my hair, this area here where the peaks have occurred, my hair used to be flat across my forehead, and now with the peaks, this area here, if I was to inject it, would not regenerate any more hair. As long as there's a few hairs in the area, it would work, but any completely blank area, like a massive bald spot on the back of the cranium, would not regenerate any hair. So when it comes to looking at results, comparatively speaking, with stem cells, you'd be waiting anywhere from 18 months to 2 years to truly start seeing results. And that's because, again, these stem cells have to make the exosomes. Now, when we use exosomes, results start to pop up within 8 days. I myself actually did a treatment about 1.5 years ago, and within the first week, I could see new baby hairs right along my hairline. Having monitored it and taken pictures over the course of about 6 months, we saw about 30% hair growth in the areas that we injected. So once the injections are done, there is a full protocol on the do's and don'ts to help continuing to promote optimal hair growth, and that includes certain types of booster injections along with IVs that we do here in the clinic, which all are aimed at giving the hair the best environment to allow the exosomes to help with growth. The exosomes, as long as they're sitting in the scalp, because they're not live cells, until they're used, they just kind of hang out in the area. And so the hair growth continues for quite some time, anywhere from 12 to 18 months. So come on down and see us. I'm here pretty much 7 days a week. Patients can also call and make appointments to do a consultation with me for the hair restoration. Springtime's here. The city, the country is starting to open up, and people want to get back outside. So come on down and check us out.
Give Regenerate Medical Concierge a call at 702-998-8009 or visit regeneratemedicalconcierge.com. Las Vegas Now will be right back.